say almost fi adomo eba angel. Angel so omanya superstars. But BBB superstars don't make a team.
Sir,
Debbie say obi who so a superstar. Why na okwa show obi ase na ya build the team because every team needs a leader. It is a team, no leader. A leader, sir. Who is going to submit like
one level show be ase.
Obi show be ase. So that was all PK. What not per se angel all of a sudden a shining. So what he did was to pick stars. Already made stars. But stars not picky, you know. Mistake what they said. I'll pick you from the same network.
Everything for me, Mamo Aquaba Stronko, Ediba, too much GHS. So, Munia, Musum for Nana Ama Usa, Madimedia, and I say, and Samuha, Ikika. Semede esomo na ebusefo yenyan kra free Angel Broadcasting Network and Chibia say womo radio presenter bakwa will take charge of radio no so bon nyoma wodo shem crying promotions ahodo meche Ohemaa Woyeje art say 2021 will free and 2020 and will free Adom FM as will transfer Ediba Angel Broadcasting Network Muna to say form the nyan say will resign artist on no moon to and the 2 job brand na wo ye ni program wo Angel Broadcasting Network so on the 31st of December nebuza form ne kasa yemu no so no de 2 job na is amount for the na wo follow no and na wo tie the program na wo edi ho yawo kakra ma say do na echo the page so consider so bibi eni a won share no nka hu ni say ni show no wo ni eje wo pan tin say won tina no onye adwuma no na say wo nkoso a enjoy say na etie no na ebuza for Sabrina Mua and some better just say Ohemaa Woyeje are resigning at the free position. So no moon at say former wife of Dr. Kwaku Oteng nearby a Kia GMB so Eddie post to be able to job on the Instagram page more for and some woman na said there Ohemaa Woyeje free Angel Broadcasting Network na quite said Dr. Kwaku Oteng how hard Jane na to say no one tempi no I don't know so Ohemaa Woyeje etina ho I want me ent na when into no wo free if you no interpretation I don't know any free ni poster what they ever to job on the Instagram page na eno emu na sabre die akoba ne say akwet say the chopa bi afechire akọ de ama Ohemaa Woyeje ama ene ya wodasoa eti radio station wa wo ye dwuma atesa manfo hu ne say Dr. Kwaku Oteng na wa friend na kasa say ne dwuma wo ye ne so ne nti kwan bia so no obehwe na de hani bia no ne na aka na bibie etimi akodade na ne niamu no speculation so na mfame mu say ono akasa ne nua ya brefo na ya brefo no so journalist wo free Adom and what media Ediba Angel Broadcasting Network no so free hono mti na say adinti na Ohemaa Woyeje wono akasa na so say wa resign no oda so ye adwuma na ya brefo de speculation ni echi no ye nhede hu say wo na so oni na po ye hu po so ye program eno ene de nsema hodo abana ebisafo ansa na eba kwatie Ohemaa Woyeje bra na wo ka say wo resign no ma ye nhye ye dua ba Kia GMB ne status anase ne Instagram poster what they ebeto wa no edi nchiremu eba ye say ebetimi abase Dr. Kwaku Oteng and is the reason why Ohemaa Woyeje resign it was from na say and na tell post no say I'm living my best of life just me and my kids. Life without drama is so peaceful. Take control of your life this year and correct some errors. Even if it means getting rid of some people, do it. Happy new month. Now, sir, and same way, and at a Kia Jimmy better a month for reading meaning to it says Ohemaa Woyeje if we're free. Now, Captain Smart Swift will free. Now, you say, and I breakfast so, and I have breakfast. I just say, one Swift, what they are next, a bit my said, Dr. Kwaku Oteng, no edge my year, ever yet in pa. And it was a for your good taste and Ohemaa Woyeje, edited just a resign in a bar. Yet they will come on assume.
FM 102.9 FM Accra. We name a program crack to Angel 102.9 FM Accra no pay.
Ebusiafo na say eye video a meka ho asem no a na di yeni akopo bi a te say ya hwe de abei na ansa na ye kɔ no meka kyerɛ mo say Ekia GMB ana yenim say oye the former fourth wife of Dr. Kwaku Oteng. What in send me betu dra ewo eye Instagram page amanfo connect ye ka say dabi ebri mu a Ohemaa Woyeje resigning NFE Angel FM. Na say already na previously na ya breakfast so no so ba ho within that same time no so to dey free na Captain Smart so e free that na say eya kwati said ye gofo no o ma kasa from wadwen e no mudi efiro na ebisofo ansa na ebe brand sem ni kama me enkan ye nua ba eye Ekia GMB ni post o de beto ne entiase amanfo enya edi efrimu na ebisofo na say wo posti ne picture na wo sa etro edi egu ase say ye ebisofo me kan actually say I am living my best of life, just me and my kids. Life without drama is so peaceful. Take control of your life this year and correct some errors. Even if it means getting rid of some people, do it. Happy new month. Na entiase amanfo nyefri mu ne say yenim say ne ma wo ne wo mo etia na wo ka so living the best life you won ne Dr. Kwaku Oteng ene wo mo ene say nim so mo divorce ntine say won ka wo mo ho no ntino ni age ene bie mu so no wo opache say drama life without drama is so peaceful. Ne say Dr. Kwaku Oteng no ne drama no so no ne nam dia how be great ene the best of ntine say take control of your life this year and correct some errors, even if it means getting rid of some people. Let's say, no he anase no one send baby na drama no draws one winting a month for Jan ho the question say na mechanic no Captain Smart Edika Free Angel Broadcasting Network and let say na ya breakfast so edie see a day year Ohemaa Woyeje so I resign na say wasa bab until be patcho na ya kwet say the problem no if you or no Dr. Kwaku Oteng enti na chop bi say eba na ni niam no say ye nokre enye nokre enne nyame ayamadom mensa aka me director wo ye video yi emu Mr. Ben Bruce me no be ra ensem no kan won ye ma na kwa bashonko mo akwabu
ya me de
bibi aboko de
adom
afi
se me ho
afi kometi da afi se na ye ko to kuma ya kese me ko fiana
yes afi se
enkan sebia enkan skasebo mes kasebo pewu
afete se na ukura oka
amen
na ye ba na ye cast na salai okwan
amen
na go ye say director the boss be no oka
na say menanti adoso so afiweji
yeah because this year say you talk as from that
amen any say pepe na director
yes
we dey mesu mo official pa afite say na ko kuma ye ma na ye so gu so sa
amen the best way
amen na ye ko enkomo no emu say eye penipa woda Angel Broadcasting Network ano ona kasa Dr. Kwaku Oteng say ne work resigning wo ba bontia be patcho ene dwuma ye ene so eni ana say sena manfo ready meaning true ene former wife Ekia GMB ne post bi opeto no na say akoba say we no atna say say dabi from Sony Fime enti ma me patcho de e koso hu ni say
me chia watie for ne obi a omtie koso tie your friend is a young one quite kakra
okay
also the bia me say me I'm a product of multi TV adoptive enti minimum senior omo mentality bi ba na me kwana mentias afi matias
sir
yeah mentality say nobody is bigger than multi TV say also multi TV is one of the best training sites to go, but the thing is that as unyi no untimi nyinje adwuma no ana untimi nye too big a adwuma
sir
yes
untimi me di adwuma no so
no
okay
the reason being said height be one man who achieve na yen keep you in check you go off track what did I make mami bubaba Captain Smart say na owadom meboa
yeah
he when your problem that with anybody
trying to crack or chin
yeah it was the same program na noye but when you be any problem of you don't pay when you about two problems yeah barefoot another body the same thing. So what happens is this who say almost fee I don't ever angel angel and we say omanya superstars But superstars don't make a team.
Sir,
There be. Say Obia who also a superstar. Why you na Okwako show Obia say? Na ya build the team. Because every team needs a leader. It is a team, no leader. A leader, sir. Who is going to submit like you know?
one show be
Obi show Obia say. So that was all PK. What not per se angel all of a sudden a shining. So what he did was to pick stars. Already made stars. But stars not picky, you know. Mistake where they said, I'll pick you from the same network.
So my match.
Yes.
Okay.
Ohemaa Peace FM man. Omo picky Sefa Kain on picky Abeku from different networks. And then other guys from Kumasi, different. It's only number, you know. It's like Obia Ewu Nyoya. But when them know they are from the same place, they always see Captain Smart as their leader. Captain near problem not coin. Virtually, I suspected it and I knew this was going to happen. Said they all go. Because Nipa na or like follow number and no na only nanya problem no. Which problem no? That's our problem no onya at other station although not in the same program. Because at home they keep you in check.
Okay.
Producer no produce you no. Or no on who sell a superstar. Because a producer who produce you a program. Ultimately who presenter as a superstar ultimately control. It's the producer or the director no. And say every time you need to be on top of issues. And you say be too big for you. And say the bonnie crown na ultimately. So that was what happened. Say in 71 ma e go overboard because producer no sabe or kakra papa no ebi ontie. Which was yes. Enti na esa ankonya superstar producer so anko no betimi e keep you in check. That was his problem. That was his main problem.
Waka sem na yembra eye Ohemaa Woyeje asubim say kwan ya fast so the resign here just a program already na man for adjure to ewo mu say enye de bia na obehye obi ase aye adwuma but say wo hwe time in any season I say we say won consider answer na sempo beja wechi a uja mo bia na let of to me free mu sa no enne abeda bonti akwa say de obi a enya academy no wo no honum kakra no so say
na me tikam I was driving and I say Ohemaa said that was his last show. I was a bit shocked. So what is happening? But near me kind say it was expected. Oh, yeah, your friend will be managing crisis. Captain Smart's calling and not quickly and they say whoever was in charge of Angels team should have stepped in to try and get the other people on their side. Like Yabrefo, the rest of it. Anko ye. Enti nipa no so no usa ukoye no uze show ya presenter. And you the presenter, you are just the face. What in America? You are just the face people are seeing. But the main work, is done by the producer and then the director, the camera guys, the sound men. They do the whole job. But it's when you have the strong team behind you who will push you to and always push you because you feel comfortable. You start losing it. In terms of sad, Ohemaa feel say, hey, baby, I'm on. I say my too comfortable. I say, near me pen na me ye be. Oh, we know. And training your demand, yes, actually, because they need to push you up every time to hit different level. James said, no, and so when your baby I'm there, let me. But it can also be
challenging.
Yeah, and you're challenging now. It can also be said, Captain Koi, normal say, and you interference be and now said, Yama be sort of. But Ohemaa Woyeje that I know, a very humble person. If you see Okwan Sporter, very humble, on your Biaka Santi, maybe a personal problem. Maybe too she wants to move up a challenge or something because I had maybe on financial challenging enough to do what she wants to do.
Point to be so say Captain Smart ne Kwan of fast so if you want Dr. Kwaku challenges obey Ofi Angel Honko no na otroyi shot at Dr. Kwaku from the new station no kasa by some ways do you think someone agree with Captain Smart on case or yeah Dr. Kwaku Oteng wa na so munyan no problem bia no mo say okay there yeah can fan when no printina they say no mo to because nana ya breathful so left just like that and they say Ohemaa Woyeje could it be say papa na nkasa problematic
who said me nenya so I can't vouch for
work extra offer movie station
because the reason is that Kwaku of Multi TV is a man who protects the for all the time or protects it the for. You find the same when Songo enya assembly with the police about this drug issue. They went with him all the way. They protected him. Yes,
okay.
But Emmy said, Captain Philip said he was let down by the management of Angel TV. Said the kind of support Ananka Oniano, he didn't get it. Because I said, Omuka said order from above. And I said you janimu go on suspension. But they could have done it in another way. Anka and Kosisa. You see, you need to tone the man down. Before you can tone him down, you need to have control over him. When you have control, now Jano. Because some of the show now no all year was so now I thought it was a bit too odd for me. Maybe you are not bad, no bokola. Now yeah, but was studio crap. Who's that? A new idea, fine. But the way I didn't ban. I thought had too much freedom.
Okay.
He wasn't restricted in a way. It's yes, and if I don't feel said I can say anything, I can do anything without any, restriction. And that is dangerous. See what they do here now, after the Bible say, yeah, for air fryer, yeah, say, you need to suspend him. By that time, if you're a businessman, now business is not shrouded in anything. You need to stand on your ground and say, oh, if you have problem with him, take him to a court or something. But don't say, me, I have to do this. Or defend it now. I think the guy would have felt, say, oh, I'm secure, done. Because I don't TV. It was the same program that he was with, but he felt secure than Hannah, I say, the judge.
Okay, Director, Madam Asiansa Nebekono, last issue, I'm say, on touch on for me, say, apology out the apologizing the right thing, say, as a head of a company, should it be out there, say, or apologize to an employee?
No, a disaster. A disaster. You see, when you want to manage a crisis like this, you can go in so many ways. Have chat with the person.
Okay.
Who the consents. Okay. I can apologize to you in private than me being the boss. I'll come publicly and say that I'm apologizing. Right now, I say, Ohemaa Jamba Bioma. I just say, no, yeah, more than superstar. Because obviously we can answer him. Because the owner himself has gone to apologize to you. That was a wrong move. And there's a move not any day. Very, very, very wrong.
Very wrong. I said any final words I'll person from to dance to me for and will be there with you.
Yeah, the American say your friend say media houses they need to manage people. Me, I believe in taking people and training them to be what you want them to be. Now, if say you can just pick superstars and bring them together, you are in trouble. Don't let anybody be bigger than the station that you have. Now, also, we are presenter. Know that you are just a face. Somebody's making you up. It's open now, but so I'm the boss and I'm this, I'm that. Tomorrow you find yourself in hot waters.
Tomorrow you find yourself in hot waters. Me director and the final words I would ejaye and no one so who tell you no na yaje and I was travel for FR and semi bomodia my away comment section ho na share video way on all the social media platforms. We are not follow too much GH or Instagram, Twitter so at too much GH _ Facebook so you hop a too much GH. Meeting I will be at the frame and in an ama uswa. But in just uncle Emma Mama Asantua war a Manchester Europe. It was for Namenkayamu. Bye bye.